Welcome to this cognitive skills guided practice. Today we'll work with a skill that helps you create a gentle buffer between yourself and the outside noise, all the words, images, and events that come your way, especially the ones that don't serve your well-being. You can't stop them from existing, but you can decide how they enter your mind and what shape they take once they're there. In this practice, you'll learn to filter what comes toward you and to reshape it into something calmer, more balanced, and easier to live with. Find a comfortable position where your body can relax. Let your hands rest loosely in your lap or at your sides. If you like, allow your eyes to close. Take a slow, easy breath in and gently out. Again, breathing in, letting your belly and chest expand. Breathing out, softening your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. With each breath, imagine you're creating a calm, steady space inside yourself. A place that's not touched by the noise outside. A place you can return to at any time. Now picture yourself standing in a gentle breeze, the kind that brushes softly across your skin, carrying the faint scent of leaves and earth. You feel it lift a strand of hair, swirl lightly around your shoulders, and move on. The air is comfortable, neither warm nor cool, just enough to remind you that the world is moving gently around you. This breeze carries with it the distant hum of life, soft sounds, shifting light, and the impressions of things happening beyond you. These might be voices, passing conversations, or things you've seen. They could be opinions, stories, or images. Some might be vivid and strong, others barely noticeable. You don't need to name them or judge them, just notice that they are there, drifting past you in the breeze. In your hands, imagine holding a soft, flexible filter, almost like a fine mesh screen. This allows you to enjoy the gentle breeze, while the filter allows in what is useful, helpful, or peaceful, and lets the rest pass by without sticking to you. As the breeze carries in a sound or an image, notice it touching the filter. If it feels nourishing, constructive, or calming, it flows gently through and into your mind. If it feels heavy, agitating, or unnecessary, it stays on the other side of the filter and drifts away with the wind. You are the one deciding. You are not shutting out the world. You're simply choosing what enters your inner space. Notice how it feels to have that choice. Now imagine something makes it through the filter. Sometimes filters don't catch everything, especially if it resonates strongly with you. It may be a phrase, a situation, or a mental image from the outside world. It arrives with a certain tone, an energy, or a feeling. In your mind, gently reshape it. If the tone is sharp or urgent, soften it. If it carries strong emotion, strip it down to its basic neutral facts. If it feels exaggerated, adjust it so it's balanced and realistic. You're not denying what's there. You're giving it a form that's calm, accurate, and manageable before it takes root inside you. Once you've reshaped what came through, notice how it feels in your body. Perhaps your breath is steadier. Maybe your shoulders have eased. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes to filter and reshape outside noise before it has a chance to unsettle you. Now imagine folding up your filter and placing it somewhere safe, ready for the next time you need it. The more you practice this exercise, the easier it will be to picture your filter clearly in your mind. With time, you won't need to be listening to this recording. You'll be able to call up the image of your filter in an instant, right in the middle of a busy day, or whenever the outside noise starts to feel overwhelming. You'll simply imagine holding it in place, letting only what is helpful and constructive pass through, and allowing the rest to drift away, or reframing whatever might get through. Now take a few final slow breaths. With each inhale, feel the calmness of your inner space. With each exhale, let go of anything that doesn't belong there. When you're ready, bring your attention back to the room. Feel the surface supporting you. Hear the sounds around you. And open your eyes, carrying this calm, steady space with you into the rest of your day.